What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be talking about the visibility in CSS, and if you're finding this series helpful, please consider subscribing. It would help me out a lot, and yeah, I hope you do enjoy this. So today we're going to look at the visibility. Elements can be hidden from view with the visibility property. The visibility property can be set to one of the following rules or values, hidden, hides an element, visible, displays an element, collapses an element. Now, let's say you have this HTML with the unordered list. You have explore, connects, and a future / donate, okay? Let's say the .future class, it has a visibility of hidden. In the example above, the item list with the class of future will be hidden from view in the browser. Keep in mind that users can still view the contents of an item list, example is donate, by viewing other source code in their browser. Furthermore, the web page will only hide the contents of the element. It will still leave an empty space where the element is intended to display. What's the difference between display none and visibility hidden? An element with a display none will be completely removed from the web page. An element with visibility hidden will be not visible on the web page, but the space will be reserved for it, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the list items in index.html. Right. Notice that the list item donate has a class of donate right here. So add a CSS selector rule set for donate. Set it to visibility hidden. So do .donate and we'll do visibility. We'll do hidden, like it should be, and then we notice it's gone, but the space is still there, right? You saw it, the space is still here, it's just hidden right there. But that's gonna end it right here. That's really the visibility of the hidden, the visible, and the collapse. I hope you learned something from this, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a fantastic day.